a jig. I don't know. I think I know what it is. What? I think it's called a vending machine. You put money in it, and then you get a prize. Ooh, I would like a prize, won't you? Oh yeah, I would like a prize. Okay. Does anyone have money? No. I think I know a place that grows money. What? Are you serious? Yeah, let's go. Here we are. Cool, it looks amazing. Wait for me. Wow. I think you have to open it like this. See, you press this button. There we go. It's opened. What's inside? I'll check. Money. Got money inside. Cool, money. Yay, now we can buy something from the vending machine. We've got $4. I'll get this one. I'll get this one. I'll get this one. I'll get the last one because I was the one who showed you where the money is. Okay. Let's go back to the vending machine. Yeah, let's go. We're here. Yeah, we're here. Can I go first? Okay. And what do I do? You spin that. Okay. What did I get? Ooh, I got a horse plushie. It's so cute. My turn. I'll put my prize over here. Okay, and spin. What did I get? I can't make it out. Oh yeah, I got a plushie teapot. Wow, that's cute. It's my turn to do 2. Let's see what 2 prizes I get. Oh, I got 2 and $1. Cool, I think that's a special prize. Ooh, I got a plushie rabbit. Wow, it's so cute. And my second prize was this ring. So I can put my plushie rabbit on the ring. Cool. That is so cool. I love it. These are awesome prizes. Now, let's take these home. I got a horse. A plushy horse. I got a rabbit and a ring. It's so cute.
And I've got a plushy teapot.
Yay! We got lovely things. Hope you enjoyed this video and comment down below.